Guangdong Baowaxin Technology Company, Limited was founded in 2003, is located in Fenggang Town, Dongguan City. It covers an area of more than 1,000 square meters and has a team of more than 50 people. Baowaxin is a factory specializing in rubber and plastic products. We have a very professional team dedicated to all kinds of silicone, rubber, plastic and other protective shells, various miscellaneous parts, game shell, auto parts, electrical parts, and so on. The division has a professional molding room, silicone oil press, plastic injection molding machine and 2 production and assembly lines molding room equipment, 5 sets of spark machine, 5 sets of CNC washing bed, 3 sets silicone equipment, 1 rubber mixing machine, 10 silicone rubber machines, 2 liquid silicone machines, plastic equipment, 15 plastic machines.